The pointless verbal duel of the impoverished. Criticizing others. Ignoring themselves. Conversations among the poor seem to have turned into a pointless verbal duel, where they eagerly criticize those around them, especially those who outshine them. In these chit-chats, a perplexing question arises. Where do the confidence and self-righteousness of the poor come from? Criticizing the flaws of others has become their sole interest and hobby. The impoverished appear to revel in criticizing others, yet the source of their confidence remains elusive. This kind of ignorant and shameless commentary prompts one to question their understanding of their so-called abilities. What's even more alarming is their tendency to treat this unfounded self-righteousness as a form of ability. In the impoverished critiques, they speak with assurance but lack a shred of accurate evidence. They find joy in criticizing others while turning a blind eye to their own actions. Such impoverished individuals inevitably raise doubts. Should they really be considered poor?